Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra and I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I am going to talk about Ram Charitra Manas and especially Sundarkand, because Ram Navami will be on, I think, 9th of April. So because of this auspicious occasion, I would like to preach Ram Charitra Manas before all of you, and how to get a motivation from Ram Charitra Manas, from the life of Lord Sri Ram. I am going to make all of you understand. Especially I am going to talk about Sundarkand and how to get a motivation from Lord Hanuman. Before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Ram Charitra Manas. Actually, this is Ram Charitra Manas, and this is actually published by Gita Press, Gorakhpur, and this is Tulsidas Rachit Ram Charitra Manas, and I would have to say this is a good book, and we all have to read Ram, means the story of Lord Sri Ram from this book, because we can get to know many things. So let's start about Ram Charitra Manas and Sundarkand. This is my most favorite of Ram Charitra Manas or Ramayana. Let's start with Sundarkand. Sundarkand, first श्लोक. शांत शाश्वत प्रमेव मदनः निर्वाण शांति प्रदः ब्रह्मा शंभु कणीन्द्रिय सेव्य मनीष वेदांत वेद विभुम राम राख्य जगदीश्वर सुर गुरु माया मनुष्य हरि वंदे अहंकारम करुणाकरम रघुवर Bhupalam Chudamanim. The meaning of this particular verse is, Lord Sri Hanuman here stated that I would add on to Lord of Universe bearing the name of Rama, the Lord of Universe bearing the name of Rama, the chief of Raghu line, and also crest jewels of king, and mind of compassion, karuna, daya, karuna sindhu. Here in Brahma Samhita says, Hey Krishna, karuna sindhu, din bandhu jagatpate, gopesha gopi kanta, radha kanta namastate. Hey Krishna, karuna sindhu, din bandhu jagatpate. Hey Krishna, karuna sindhu. If we are not having a compassion, if we are not pardoning to anyone, then Lord Krishna will never give you liberation. Pardoning power is your good weapons, because if you have to pardon to each and everybody, whoever come across to you, you have to pardon. You don't have to work for revenge. Mind of compassion, the dispeller of all the sins, appearing in the human form through his Maya, deluding potency Maya. Lord Rama appeared in the human form because of Maya. The greatest of the God, knowable through the Vedanta Upanishad, constantly worshipped by Brahma, the creator, Shambhu, Lord Shiva, Sesa, serpent god, and bestower of the supreme peace in the form of final beatitude, placid and eternal, beyond the ordinary means of cognition, and sinless, and also all the pervading. Sinless and all the pervading. This is all the qualities. Sinless. Lord Rama is always sinless. And all the pervading means cognition. He has a supreme cognitive energy, supreme cognitive power. And because of his cognitive power, he took a decision, and he went to Lanka and also fought with Ravana and also conquered Ravana. Nanya Spuha Raghupate. Let's move toward another sloka of this Ram Charitamrita Sundarkand. Nanya Spuha Raghupate Hridaye Samdiye Satyavadami cha Bhavan Khilan Atmaram भक्ति पश्य रघुपुंडव निर्भर में कामदी दोष रहित कुरु मानस च काम रहित दोष रहित कुरु मानस च काम रहित दोष रहित कुरु मानस च. This is Ramcharitamanas. This is supreme of Ramcharitamanas. Here stated, there is no other craving in my heart. Here Hanuman stated, there is no other craving in my heart. O Lord of Raghus, O Lord of Raghus, I speak the truth. I am speaking the truth. You are the spirit of indwelling in the heart of all. You are the spirit. Lord Krishna stated, I am seated in the heart of each and every living entity. I am sitting in the heart of each and every living entity. And grant me the intense devotion of your feet. Please grant, please allow me to get intense devotion to your feet, to get intense devotion of your feet. Oh, crushed jewels of Laghu, free my mind from the fault like a confidence, etc. Confidence, like all kind of faulty mind, wrongful deeds, wrongful thoughts. Please make me free. Lord Krishna means here, I am actually devotee of Lord Krishna, so I am chanting, daily chanting, and whether knowingly or unknowingly, I am speaking. I am taking the supreme name of Lord Krishna. अतुलित बल धामा हेम शैल भद्रेह धनुष जवन कुशान ज्ञानी न मग्य अरण्यम सकल गुण निधान वारणाभि अधिसह रघुप्रति प्रिय भक्त वात जात नमामि. रघुप्रिय भक्त वात जात नमामि. Yes, I bow to son of wind God. I bow to son of wind God. I beloved means the beloved devotee of Sri Rama. I hear beloved devotee of Rama, Hanuman, the Lord of Raghus, the chief of monkeys. Lord Hanuman, he was the chief of monkeys, the respiratory of all the virtues. Lord Hanuman, he was the respiratory of all the virtues, the foremost among the wise, and the fire to consume the forest of the demon race, and possessing a body shining as a mountain of gold. He got a possession. Actually, here the description about Lord Hanuman. And home of immeasurable strength. He had a supreme strength. Further stated about Hanuman tesi parasa karam puni kinah panam Ram kaju kine binu mohi kaha vishram. Whenever I am taking the supreme, whenever I am chanting a supreme name of Lord Sri Ram, I got a supreme peace. I got a rest of my mind. I got a rest of my soul. Whenever I am taking the supreme name of Lord Sri Ram. Hanuman simply touched the mountain with his hand, then made a obeisance to it, saying, there can be no rest for me till I have accomplished Sri Rama's work. Means Hanuman here stated, Hanuman, the supreme devotee of Lord Sri Ram, here stated, I am not having a rest unless I am not completing the work of Lord Sri Ram. राम काज सब करू ही तुम बल बुद्धि निदान आशीष देह गही सो हरीश चले हनुमान. Yes, you will accomplish all the work of Ram. The storehouse that you are the strength and intelligence. Lord Sri Hanuman, you are the storehouse of intelligence and also strength. And you will surely accomplish the work of Lord Sri Ram. Having blessed Hanuman, she depart, and also Hanuman to joyful resume his journey through the air. Hanuman depart through the joyful journey. Actually, Hanuman got a work to find out Sita ji. And that's why unless I am not finding out Mata Sita, I will not take a rest. This is stated to Hanuman. This is promise of Hanuman to Lord Sri Ram. कनक कोटि विचित्र मणिकृत सुंदर रायतन धन चहु हट हट सुबुट बिथि चारु पुरु बहु विधि बनाह गज बाजी खच्चर निकत पदचर रथी बहुरिथ को गने बहु रूप निशिचर जूथ अति बल सेन बर्तन नहीं बने बन बाग उपवन बाटिका सर कुप बाही सोहही नर नाग सुर गंधर्व कन्या नर नाग सुर गंधर्व कन्या रूप मुनि मन मोही रूप मुनि मन मोही कहु माल देहे विशाल सोल समान अति बल गजरी नान अखारे ही बिहिर बुद्धू बिहिर बुहु विधि एक इकह तजही करी जतन पट कोटंती विकट तन नगर चुहु दिशि दिशि अक्षति कहु महिष मानुष धेनु खर अज खल निशाचर वचही यही लागी तुलसीदास इनह की कथा कसु एक ही कही रघुबीर सर तीरथ शरीर हिनी त्यागी गति पेही सही. Here the meaning of this particular verse is the charming city was enclosed by fortified wall of gold inlaid with a precious stone of various kind. Actually Lord Hanuman reached to Lanka and contained many beautiful houses, crossroads, bazaars and lovely streets and lanes, and was decorated in every way. And who could count the multitude of elephant, horse and mules, and crowds of the foot soldiers, and also chariot, and also the troop of demons of every shape, the formidable host beyond all the description, groves and orchards and gardens, park, lakes and also wells, big and small, looked the charming daughters of Hanuman, human beings, and Nagas, gods and Gandharvas, and raptures with their beauty the mind of even hermits. And here rode mighty wrestlers and endowed with huge mountain forms. They graped with one another in the many ways in the different court and challenged one another to a duels. Myriads of the champion possessing the fruitful form of sedulously guarded the city on the all side, guarded city of all side. Elsewhere the will of demon feasted on the buffalo, human beings, cows, donkey, gods, and Tulsidasa has briefly told that the story only because they will drop their bodies at the sanctuary of Lord Sri Rama's arrow and thereby attain the supreme state. Here Tulsidas described about the Lanka, about the how Lanka was, about the many soldiers are there, many precious stones, the entire Lanka was formulated, entire Lanka was built. So the here is all about description. पूर खबेर देखी बहु कपि मन किन विचार अति लघु रूप घरो नासी नगर करो पसार. Laghu Rupa means Lord Hanuman converted himself in the very tiny form. Here Hanuman assumed a form as a small as a Gant, and also invoking the Lord in Hanuman semblance, and Bhagwan Sri Ram headed toward the Lanka. At the gateway of Lanka lived in demons and Lankini by name. Where should you be going to, heedless of me? She said, fool, have you not been able to know who I am? And every thief here about is my food. Every thief is here about my food. And attacked on Lord Hanuman when Lord Hanuman entered into Lanka. तात स्वर्ग अपवर्ग सुख धरियु तुला एक अंग तुल नहीं ताकि सकल मिली जो सुख लव सत्संग. Love satsanga. Here in one scale of the balance, dear son, put together the delight of heaven and the bliss of final beatitude, but they will all be outweighed by the moment's joy derived from the communion with the saints. Communion with the saints, satsang. We have to join with a communion with saints or the holy people. So this is all about today's Sundarkand Ramcharitra Manas. So I will cover another session, another remaining portion in next session. So thank you so much for having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.